Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a wear test of Benetint. What? A classic. This is actually a little trial size of the Benetint from Benefit. It's 4 milliliters and the full size retails for 24 Canadian dollars and you get 6 ml. So this is a very generous sample size. If you can get it, get it. It looks tiny, but the full size isn't much bigger. And it says it's a rose-tinted lip and cheek stain. Benefit is out of San Francisco, California, and this product is made in the USA. A little fun fact, they say that this lip stain and cheek stain was created for exotic dancers in the 1970s because wasn't it that you put it on your nipples to make them look more pink? Pretty sure that is what I heard on the internet. But anyway, the full size comes with a doe foot applicator to glide it onto your lips and blend over your cheeks. It's a non-drying buildable formula that gives you a natural looking sheer finish. To use it, they just say apply it onto your lips, layering to build intensity. For a pout look, apply gloss on top, and then dot and blend quickly onto your cheeks. Got my full face of makeup on, but I have not powdered, have not got like lips on. I did put a highlighter on and some contour, make sure that's blended, and my foundation, just a normal liquid foundation today. So let's go ahead and try this little sample size. It actually comes with a brush tip, so it's gonna be a slightly different experience. To blend it in, I have got ready a little sponge and a big sponge. Problem with using your fingers, of course, which is like kind of what you naturally do, is you're gonna get stain on your fingers. So you don't want to get stain on your fingers. So I'd really recommend you use some sort of tool. So let's go ahead and get this on our cheeks and lips. Just gonna do 3 little swipes. And then just quickly give that a blend. And I have to say, it is just this one layer is such a beautiful little flush of color. I really, really like it. I've been playing with it over the last couple days, and I just think that is really, really nice. It smells slightly rosy, so if you're not into that rose scent, you might not like this product. Application's easy even with the brush tip. You just got to make sure you give it a second against the side of the bottle so it's not going to like drip anywhere, because it is just straight up liquid. And although they say it's layerable, like that one coat on my cheeks is absolutely perfect for me. I have experimented on other days and built it up a little bit more. And I'm gonna do that today just because we're on video, so we can go a little bit dramatic. But just know day to day, like one coat of that Benetint and I'm completely happy. So let's add just a touch more, just so you guys can really see it on my cheeks. These little mini sponges, this is a little sponge from Quo that I got from Doug's sisters for Christmas one year. And it works really, really well for this type of little application where you're basically just using your finger, but you're protecting your finger, right, from the stain. So there we go. I think it's a beautiful, youthful looking blush. Now let's get some on our lips. So I did have a bit of foundation on my lips. There is just one coat there. It goes on incredibly even. Considering you just kind of like dot it on. I just put it to the bottom of my lip and then just smush my lips together. Very beautiful, even stain. Very natural color. Again, I'm gonna build this up one more time. It also dries really quickly too. It's really kind of just like a foolproof makeup look. Now let's see what exactly is the stain powder of this stain. Especially on my lips, I'll be really curious to find out. Throughout the day, if I need, I might be applying a little bit of just my Nivea Essential Lip Balm. It's just like a clear balm, but you guys know I have really dry lips, so this is something, let's go ahead and do it, that I would probably be doing anyway. Instead of a lip gloss, I'm going to opt for this, and we'll see how well they play together. Well, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take you over to a window and see what it looks like under natural light. And then, of course, at the end of the night, we can kind of check in and see how well it did. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I'm back, and I didn't touch up anything all day, although I did powder my face a few times because we were greasy. So yeah, I did some blotting papers, I did some powdering, and overall I definitely think it might be harder to see on camera, but you can still see my blush, although it definitely has faded. And you can still see my lips have some color, but they're definitely not as intense as they were initially after application. But don't forget, I did wear lip chap all day. So let's see. Yeah, even if I reapply it, just a light coat, it's not like too much intensely more fresh. So overall, I think the lip stain did last all day today. The cheeks did last all day, but they did fade a little bit. And overall, aside from the rose scent, which might be a little strong, but like once it's applied and dried down, you don't smell it at all. Just that initial application, it's like, what am I applying? But overall, I think this stuff is super, super good. I really like this a lot, and I would definitely consider repurchasing this in the future. I think the color, if you have a similar complexion to me, is super flattering. It's the type of blush that you apply it, you can actually see it on your cheeks. Like, you can see it, and if you layer it up, you can see it's layering up. There's like no guessing. It's easy to blend out as long as you have some sort of tool. Even a brush works. Again, if you just want a little bit of color on your cheeks, lips, or nips, I guess, then Benetint is the product for you. And if you can find a sample, like I said, get that sample. Like if Sephora's got a point giveaway or anything, jump on that, because pretty nice little sample there. Let me know what you think about Benetint from Benefit, and if you have tried it before. I have to say, I was thinking about this today, and I think of all the, like, I love gimmicky makeup brands, and of all the like gimmicky makeup brands out there, Benefit unintentionally might be one of my favorites. Like, I love their cardboard packaging. I love the Benetint. I love that they're not afraid to experiment with like two-tone lipsticks and things. What else do they do that I love? I love their eyebrow products, of course, classic. I just like Benefit a lot. So if there's any other Benefit products you'd like me to try out, definitely leave them down in the comments below so I can check them out, because I don't really follow Benefit. I'm not really in the know about Benefit. I'm just kind of aware of some of their more popular products, which is kind of why I've tested some of them out. But let me know your recommendations down below, or if there's a similar brand out there to Benefit, also let me know. Pretty much wraps up today's video, so I hope you enjoyed watching today. I hope you're safe and healthy. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you would like to see more beauty videos from me. I put out new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And a huge shout out to my lovely patrons who help me bring these videos to you through production costs, editing costs, makeup costs, all that kind of good stuff. You guys really make it possible for me to keep doing this. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!